Hi, my name is Franz, and I'm going to show you today how to remove the green background. This is our image. Let's click on image, choose mode, lap color, and now we have to add mask. Edit, and holding on Alt, left click on your mouse. Now the screen is blue, and you go to image again, you choose apply image, and instead of lab on channels you have to choose A. Okay, you go to image again, choosing adjustments and levels. Now you have sliders here. You have to slide the left one to the center, such as to make our background to be as black as possible, because black is not visible in the mask, and slide right one to the center to make our image, our lady, as white as possible. In the mask, white is visible. Okay, and if it's necessary, click OK. If it's necessary, we can brush a little bit, like to make our background more black. I'm choosing brush. Okay, and holding on Alt, left click of your mouse, choosing the color, and maybe to choose the brush size a little bit bigger, larger, to do it faster. Do it carefully, but don't worry if you do some mistake, like this, for example. You can always undo. Pressing Ctrl Z if you are working in Windows, or Command Z if you are working on Mac. Okay, do it carefully. I would choose smaller size of a brush when I'm working close to the picture, to our lady. Yeah, and I think it works and it's enough. You will do it better, and for now it's okay. And the last thing we have to do, to click on our image, green image. Oh, we see there is no green background anymore. Background is transparent. Okay, and let's check to see it closer. If it's necessary, we can always use our eraser tool to erase everything we don't want to left. I think it's okay. And that's it. Thank you for staying with me, and hope to see you soon. Bye!